How to use Interlibrary loan service. Check status, cancel requests, and renew books.
I made a request recently and wanted to check the status. What should I do?
Checking application status. You can check the status in your borrower record. Log into your borrower record. Click Requests. You will see all the items requested, including interlibrary loan items. Then, you can check the application status. Cancel request. To cancel an application, log into your borrower record. Click on Requests, and then click on Cancel next to the relevant item. If the application has already entered the processing stage, it cannot be canceled. If the requested material is available in the library's collection, or if no local or overseas institutions can provide the requested material, you will receive an email notification from the library. If you need to renew borrowed physical books, the library will contact the lending library to seek approval. Log into your borrower record and click on Loan List. You can see the interlibrary loan item. Then, click on Renew next to the relevant book. Then a message saying Renewal is pending approval will be displayed. You will receive an email notification from the library if your renewal application is successful. The new due date will be updated. You can follow the previous steps to renew books through borrower records, or submit the renewal request via email to the above email address 3 days prior to the due date. If you want to know how to make an interlibrary loan service request, you can check out another video.